Yes, people, this is Romeo the Professor. I will be talking to you regarding Bitcoin. Follow, subscribe, share, okay? Hi, family, hi, friends. Bitcoin is gold 2.0 and it will hit 100K this year. Do I believe it? That's what Nexo founder is saying. Now, the question is, do I believe that to be true? So, with Bitcoin gaining more than 60% in value, for 2021, many in the cryptocurrency space are hopeful about the future of the digital asset. So, speaking with CNBC, cryptocurrency lender Nexo founder, revealed that there are two simple reasons why he believes Bitcoin will hit that 100,000 mark, by the middle of the year, or let's just say September time. Every time investors in the broader community write off Bitcoin, it outperforms significantly. This has been the case in 2020 when it rallied close to 1,000%. On top of that, it rallied another 63%. Bullish Bitcoin. I think it's going to reach 100K. That's what he said. So, the two reasons, according to Trend Check, for his bullish forecast that Bitcoin will hit 100,000 by the middle of the year. So, first thing he says, he sees institutional adopters, preservers, quietly companies building out their treasuries, filling it with Bitcoin. Also, the broader theme of macroeconomics, realities, and cheap money, in my opinion, is here to stay, which is great for crypto, which is an inflation hedge and gold 2.0. Okay, rate hikes will lead to dip in equities and bond market. Now, the evolution of cryptocurrency. After being questions on the evolution of cryptocurrency, whether or not they are now being considered as a parallel currency, particularly for countries with fragmented central banking system or financial system, such as El Salvador, he responded to where it is next by saying, I think Latin American is a poster child for what you just described. Economies with some difficulties managing their own currency and their respective central banks facing some challenges. Definitely all of them are potential candidates for adopting cryptocurrencies as legal tender. Woo! So we know Bitcoin has been here for just 13 years. So the founder said again, he remarked that it is incredible how far crypto and Bitcoin in particular has come in just 13 short years. As a store of value, and a means of medium exchange, providing the best of both worlds. Well, store of value, I would say. Last year, he stated that more South and Central American countries adopting Bitcoin would push the price to 100,000, as they would act as a substitute to slow institutional investment in Bitcoin. So the question is, do I believe that? So let's go. This is the global cryptocurrency chart right now. As we sit here, the cryptocurrency market is right at 2,257,000,000,000 when it was at an all-time high right here when it hit close to 3 trillion. So if I was to say, I believe we're about 25 to 30% back. However, if we look at the current rankings, we know Bitcoin is the head sitting at top. So if I was to say, let me look at where Bitcoin is. From a perspective, from all-time high, Bitcoin is 31% from all-time high of reaching 68,000. It's 31% from all-time high. And Bitcoin has a tendency of, when it touched the all-time high, to push a little higher. So let's just say if Bitcoin by March 15th, push 70,000. If it's pushing a little higher, 10% of that can take it to 80,000. And so, yes, I do believe Bitcoin will hit $100,000 this year. I fully believe it. And when I look at the chart, the 3-month chart, this is what's happening. If we look at the 1-year chart, when it was at 29,000, that's July, and 3 months, July 19th, July 19th, in 3 months, it went up to 65,000. That's 100%. Okay? And if you look at where it's at now, it's at a strong resistance right here, 48. And now it can tumble to 41, but I see a strong resistance position to push towards 90,000 per Bitcoin. So, my name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like. But Bitcoin is positioned. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes. I do see Bitcoin hitting 100,000. Because right now, from all-time high, it's 31%. And if we look at Ethereum, from all-time high, it's 21%. So, I do see Bitcoin escaping and going crazy. So, that being said, yes, Bitcoin will hit $100,000. Follow, subscribe, share. I'm out.